North Park Covenant Church started this food pantry 41 years ago. Nobody can find for certain if it was 1969 or 1970, but it was in response to a need in the community where people would come to the church looking for food, and so a couple of associate pastors at that time began something very simple, cans of food on a shelf, and it has grown and grown and grown and grown over the years. And we, in 1998, became a private not-for-profit, and so we no longer have a legal connection with the church, but we certainly have a historical connection, and also they are one of our largest supporters.
Okay.
So we've grown over the years. Now we're a standalone organization, physically apart from the church in this space. But we've been a pantry for over 40 years. Know that this is an incredibly diverse neighborhood, and so people say, well, who do you serve? And I say, we serve everybody.
Yeah.
There's no one people group, there's no predominant group of people that come here. It's a huge mix.
Yeah.
You maybe know that 60625 used to be the most ethnically diverse zip code in the country. We are now only the second most ethnically diverse zip code in the country. And it's called the Mother's Closet. So when a person comes in on their every 30-day visit, they can come back and, within reason, take pretty much what they want from the back. That's all donated clothing. I really appreciate the connection with the university. I mean, I'm an alum. I'm a member of North Park. I mean, it's a nice familial connection in this, a nice awareness that we have of each other. So it's been a good relationship, and one that I hope can continue.